In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on this Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is going to be located under the hood on the driver's side. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take the top part of the airbox off, use a 10mm socket, loosen up these screws. That's just loose. It's going to stay with the airbox. Just go around, loosen them all. That's it. Grab the airbox, lift it up. There's the air filter. Just grab the air filter and you can pull it out. Take the new air filter, get this lined up. Take the airbox. There's some slots on the top part that slide into the bottom. Just push that towards the engine and just try to get those ears to line it into the slots. There we go. It's lined up. Now tighten down the screws. And snug those all down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.